Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make cake mix pancakes. Oh yeah, more specifically, Funfetti Pancakes. I had a request to make cake mix pancakes, so here we go. That's what we're going to do. Really easy to do, simple ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. All right, so I have a large bowl here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add my 2 eggs. Give those a good whisk. Great. Add in our oil. 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using vegetable oil, but you can use whatever kind of oil that you want. All right, I have 2.5 cups of milk here. I'm gonna just add about 2 of the cups first. Okay, and I'm gonna add in 1/2 cup of normal all-purpose flour or plain flour. Give that a mix. And then I'm gonna add in my Funfetti cake mix, or you can use whatever kind of cake mix that you want. Give it a good mix. Now that's pretty good. I might just add in a tiny bit more, so I only wound up using about 2 cups. That's great. That's kind of how you want your pancake mix, runny like that. And if you want it more runny, just add the rest of the milk. If you want it a little bit thicker, use less of the milk. All right, and there we go. Let's go on over to the stovetop and our skillet. All right, here we go. I'm over at the stovetop. I heated up my pan, medium heat, or if you're using like a griddle, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 Celsius. Let's go ahead and spray this with some kitchen spray. And now what we want to do is just go ahead and just take some pancake batter with a ladle. And just ladle some on. All right, so we're just going to let this sit and cook for a few minutes until it starts to bubble on top. And then we will flip it over and then cook it for a minute or 2 more, and then it'll be done. All right, it's probably a little hard for you to see, but there's these little tiny bubbles on the top and it's dry around the edges. Let's go ahead and give this a flip. Oh yeah, look at that. Looking awesome. Now this second side will take a little bit less time to cook. Just about a minute, minute and a half. All right, it's been about a minute. I'm just gonna go ahead and check underneath. Yep, it's great. All right, and then let's go ahead and just transfer this over to a plate and then cook up the rest of them. All right, and then you can serve them however you want. I'm gonna come in here with some Cool Whip. And put some sprinkles on top. There you go. Awesome. All right, the cake mix Funfetti pancakes are done. Turned out fantastic. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you'll know every time I post a new video. Until next time, take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. Take some of that whipped cream. Mm-mm-mm.